Dal and Dod are very confusing letter in Arabic. Are you also confused about these two phonics? Let's learn in this video. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. You will learn over here in this lesson the difference between letter Dal and Dod. Dal and Dod. The first difference between Dal and Dod is that Dal is pronounced from the tip of the tongue and Dod is pronounced from the side of the tongues. Dal is pronounced when the tip of the tongue touch the upper two molars, and Dod is pronounced when the sides of the tongue touch the sides of our teeth and of our upper side. If it is your tongue, then this part of the tongue touch the sides. Dod is pronounced. It make a very heavy sound. It is one of the heaviest letter. Huruf musta'aliya. Dod, dod. And dal is pronounced. The tip of the tongue touch the upper two molar. Dal is pronounced. Dal is one of the echo letter, while dod is one of the musta'aliya letter. This is the difference. Let's learn toward this different through the words. Here we write some word examples so you can tell the difference. Do practice with me, otherwise you can't find the difference only just by looking and only just by listening. You have to practice yourself, and after practicing it, comment me in the comment box. I will check your exercise and I will check it for you for free. The first word is ba'ad, ba'ad. And this is ba'd, from the sides of the tongue. The meaning of ba'd is after, but meaning of ba'd is some. So difference of the letter which have the same phonics make the big difference in the word. After, some. Ba'd, ba'd. Dal, dal. To guide. Dal, to guide. Dal, dal. To go astray. To go astray. Dars, lesson. Dars, lesson. Dars, molar tooth. Dars. Darab, trail. Darab, trail. Darb, hitting. Hitting. Marid, rebellious. Marid, rebellious. Marid, marid, patient. Patient or sick. So practice it. Ba'd, dal, dars, darb, marid, marid. You see, and it gives an echo sound because dal is one of the echo letter. Marid, ba'd, dal, dars, darb, marid. It gives a heavy sound because dal is one of the heaviest letter musta'aliya, haruf musta'aliya. So do practice it. Find the examples in the Holy Quran, and if you need any help, if you're still confused, comment me. I will make a new video for you over there. See you then inshallah with the next video with the new two confusing words you will learn over there. But don't forget to subscribe my channel, and for this page of my channel you will find the link in the description box, and you can find all this information in written form in my website. Assalamu alaikum.